Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video at Call Me Jessy's channel. Today I have a special guest and it's none other than my mommy. Welcome.
Hello. Hi everyone.
So today we are gonna make after a long time, so we're gonna bake bibinca, which is the Goan delicacy. So it's one of the Goan queen of dessert. And you can find it everywhere, so be it weddings, Easter, Christmas. So we're gonna do step by step, and my mommy is gonna be there throughout the whole process, so I'm gonna show you everything, how it's done. I don't know, it was so easy. It's literally like 4 or 5 ingredients and it's that easy. From your kitchen shelf you can find all these items, so stay tuned. I'll see you soon. So we're gonna make the caramel, and my mom, she's adding sugar. So add a bit of water and sugar to it. So take about 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. And now that the caramel is done, don't add so much of water, so you need to have the proportion really well, because if you add too much water or too much sugar, then it might turn a bit hard. So now that the caramel is done, we're gonna keep it aside to cool it down for a few minutes before adding it into the batter. And it fills out the whole house with the fragrance of caramel. It smells so good. So just keep it aside and cool it down now for a few minutes. For the batter, we're using 600 ml of coconut milk. You can use either fresh or you can use canned coconut milks. Either one works best. So yeah.
Here I am adding this coconut milk now. These are now 8 egg yolks, and these are now 350 gram sugar. This is 140 gram Maida flour. This is half tablespoon of nutmeg or sayhellotojessyy and half teaspoon of salt. This is half cup of butter ghee.
You need a hand mixer and a brush. So now what you're gonna do is add all the eggs in a separate bowl, so like so, and then add the sugar. So add the sugar bit by bit, so don't add everything together, because you need to mix the batter really well. So you need to let the sugar get dissolved really well with the eggs, and now you see you get a really smooth consistency. So let the sugar get dissolved properly, and then add the remaining sugar like so. So you don't really need a hand mixer if you do have the whisk. It is much easier with the hand mixer than the whisk. It gets the job done really well both the sides if you do it really well. So just combine both the sugar and the egg really well now. So, and then add the remaining ingredients. Now add the coconut milk to it. So you need to get all the sugar to be completely dissolved before adding any of the before separating the flour, just so that you don't have any sugar lumps or sugar pockets into the bebinca. Now add bit by bit the flour. So the salt, nutmeg and the remaining flour. Just added that and then mix it again. Now the last step is to sieve the batter to get some smooth bebinca. So sieve it up so that you don't have any lumps of the coconut milk or the flour or the sugar. So now we have added the ghee to the pan. So I'm using 8-inch by 4-inch deep pan. So this is just the cake tin which I'm using, and I've added 6 teaspoons of ghee to it, so coat it nicely. I've done that so it will demold really well once it is cooled down. So as you can see, we have got 2 batter over here. This is the lighter version and this is the darker version with the caramel. So you see how you have got these 2 different shades. Don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna preheat the oven at a gas mark of 6, which is 200 degrees Celsius, so you can preheat it for like 10 to 15 minutes. And we're gonna use the griller version. We're not gonna use the main oven. So for ourselves, we have the main oven and the griller version. So just gonna bake it, just gonna grill it. We're not gonna fully bake it, just like how you would do for a cake. Yeah, so for the first layer we're gonna add 2 scoops of the batter, which is the dark color version, and of course according to your layer consistency is what you would need. So ideally 2 full scoops are more than enough for the batter. Yeah, so that is how it would look like once you have added the layer. And now we're gonna grill it or bake it, however you'd like to say it. So we're gonna bake it for about 10 minutes for the darker version. And now once it has come out, you're gonna coat it with ghee and add the lighter version of the batter. And of course you're gonna repeat this process until your batter is fully done. So add the lighter version and then the darker version, lighter version, until you have completely finished your batter. So now it is all ready and baked, and I just can't wait to dig in and eat it. It's currently like 3 a.m. and we both stayed awake and it's been a long night, so I can't just wait to dig in and eat it tomorrow morning. So rested for about 4 to 6 hours and demolded and eat it. Hi guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you have come this far, my mom's already gone to sleep. Well, she was really tired. I'm so thankful for her. She stayed awake for the entire process. So thank you so much, Mom, for being a part of this video. And if you guys like this video, and if you guys would like to see my mom in more videos in the future, do let me know in the comments down below. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to share with your friends and family if you do enjoy this video. And if you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag me in your pictures so I can repost them on Instagram. My handle is call me Jessy, so I'm just gonna put it down somewhere. And And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also lastly, don't forget to hit on the bell icon so you would be notified whenever I upload more videos. See you next time. Hasta la vista.